Welcome to how to use and customize the Canvas course template. In this portion, we will discuss the course navigation menu. In Canvas, the left menu in each course is called the course navigation menu. You may not add unique items to this menu. You may only add and subtract available items. While this is different from other learning management systems, this will help you and your students. Your students will have a consistent place to access course materials no matter which class they're taking. They will know where to access and complete coursework because it will be the same for all instructors. To make any additions or removals from the list of available items in the course navigation menu, choose Settings at the bottom of the course navigation menu. At the top, choose the Navigation tab. From here, you are provided with a list of all available items that you can add or remove from the course navigation menu. CLT recommends only allowing students to access Home, Announcements, Syllabus, Modules, and Grades. The reason for this is students that have access to assignments, quizzes, etc., may be able to access your content early rather than moving through the course in the way you've designed. To hide any of the items in the list that is available, click and hold on the item you want to drag down and drag it to the lower list. Repeat this process for any materials that students do not specifically need access to. If you are teaching an online synchronous course and use the course collaboration tool, you should leave it available to students. Please note that some pages, such as rubrics, are not available to students even when listed in the top menu. Once you have made any changes you need to, make sure to select Save at the very bottom of the page, and you will see the changes reflected in your course navigation menu. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit clt.odu.edu.